Hello, this is Jade. Today I would like to start from Yoyogi Station. First of all, this landmark entity Docomo Yoyogi Tower opened in 2000. It's been more than 20 years already. Now we come to Meiji Avenue. Meiji is a large bypass road that connects Minami Azabu to Umenoshima with a total length of 33.3 km. After walking for about 10 minutes, I arrived at Kita-Sando subway station. This is the upside exit from Yoyogi. There are more restaurants and stores here. I'm going to visit Meiji Jingu Shrine. It was still a wonderful shrine. That's all for today. I'm going to talk about music and other things to this channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you like. Thank you.